Alright, there's the broken piece, which actually come out pretty bloody good. Load it up, try again. Successful start. Fingers crossed, this time this piece prints out nicely. And then I can show you what it's actually intended for. Alright, back in the room, back in the printing room. It's been printing for about an hour. Oops. It's been printing for about an hour now. So far so good. It's actually looking not too bad. Another thing I'm doing is selling off some of my retro gaming collection stuff. So if you look here, I have a full wall of stuff. I've decided to sell my Sega Saturn set. Now this set is complete, it's huge, and it has 30 games. I'll show you what I mean. So there's a Sega Saturn there with an awesome 3D controller. There's the 30 games all along there. Then I was digging some stuff out and I found the steering wheels, 2 steering wheels, two light guns, 2 more controllers, the manuals, the warranty, and the box. This should go for a pretty penny. This video will go up on what? Friday the 16th, 17th. This eBay auction goes till next Wednesday. So if you're interested, get on it. Alright, I'm about to head out. So I've just realized there's no fancy time lapses or slow motion or nothing in today's vlog. Let's skip to a rainy time lapse with good music, just so it shakes it up. Then I'm going out and then we're going to come back and hopefully that 3D print is finished. Oh yeah, okay. Back home now, all the radio and all the stuff's done. We're gonna check out that print and it looks like it has worked. Alright. It has worked quite well actually, let me show you. Now the fun and sometimes very dodgy part, peeling it off. There you go, it has finally worked. There is our bracket, it's for Sketch, it's for his electric bike. That looks like a winner. Alright, today was a good day. The 3D print, it came out. I'm very happy with the machine. But like I said, kind of that's all I done today was that 3D print. Tomorrow though, we're going to start the morning, probably head to the gym actually. We'll start the morning at the gym, which you're not going to see. But I have an awesome sneak preview. I am printing a YouTuber's logo tomorrow and I'll film it all, the process from a picture to a 3D design. Something you draw, something you design on the screen to an actual 3D design, but that's tomorrow. That's where I'm going to end tonight's vlog.